Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a Toiletry 19 unboxing. So there is going around rumors that they're not making toiletries anymore. So I'm not sure if that rumor is true. Since that rumor started, I have been able to get two. I got the 19, which is this one, and I got the 26, which both were purchased in store. I have not been able to see them online, which that rumor is true. They're not longer available online. I'll show you guys. If you try to Google it, on the little search bar, they're not available. If you do have an SA, it's probably easier for you to get them. I got both of them for my SA, which they were arrived to the store. He just let me know, like, hey, we got them in store, like, hey, are you interested? But they only ship like one or two here and there. So I think you just have to be in a lookout, or if you have an SA, you have a better chance of getting one. It is true what I have seen, that when you go to the LV store, there's been a lot of more just showing more monogram versus canvas. I have not monogram, more leather pieces than monogram canvas. It is harder for it to see, which I do think the brand is probably trying to show more luxury bags and less monogram, since monogram canvas is cheaper. So I do believe that is true in a way of what everybody's saying. So let's see what happens in the next couple months. Alrighty, so enough of that story. Let's get to the unboxing. So this is my first ever seeing it. I bought it, my SA shipped it to me, so I did not see it in the store, and I have not seen it ever. I was never interested till this whole thing going around. I thought, let me just have it. Alrighty, so really cute. I actually thought it was a little bit smaller, but I did see comparisons. So this is it. Really cute. I have seen people making it as a crossbody, as well as the other one I have, the 26. So really cute, just gold hardware. Nice zipper. This one is made in Spain, as you can see. And let me take all these stickers out and see. This is why I like these, and I decided to actually get into getting all three of them, because of the lining. The lining's wipeable. Canvas is very durable. This one does not have a chip, for those asking. It does have a date code. I know a lot of people were asking on that last time. So see, just the monogram canvas, which is really cute, and all it doesn't have anything very interesting. It's just one big pocket. I know people have do inserts in here, and it makes it really cute and more organized, which I might do that. And then I also see that people put chains on them from here, which won't damage it. They'll insert the insert and then attach the chain to make it hang out this way. I'll insert pictures if I can find of anybody using them. If not, I will link down below my video that I made with my Toiletry 26, so you guys can see how you can make it into a crossbody. But yeah, this is the unboxing. Really cute. I would say if you can get your hands on one, I would definitely do so. They're really cute little bags. Either you can put it inside your, if you have a Neverfull, you can put it inside your Neverfull or any other bag, which I think it's so adorable. So yeah, if you guys want, if you guys want to see a different type of video or unboxing, comment down below, and I will hopefully be able to get it for you guys. Or if you guys want to see a comparison video, I could definitely do that as well. Till next time, guys.